songs were written with crayons and coloring books. It was misspelled and outside the lines, and we loved how it looked. Like the crooked hem of your favorite childhood dress, and the holes in my jeans from years of carelessness. I know since we've grown, we ache for those memories. Honestly, nothing's even compared to you next to me, next to me. When the words came to you for the first time, you knew it, you were hooked. And the pride that you felt at the last page of your first book, and the bravery I forced when I sang to an audience of 3. Well, it took a million wrong notes just to find a single melody key. I know that since we've grown, we plead for clarity. Honestly, nothing's ever made sense till you are next to me, next to me. If time is money, then I'll spend it all for you. I will buy you flowers with the minutes we outgrow. I'll turn hours into gardens planted just for us to tend. I'll be reckless with my days, building castles in your name. Since we've grown, we long for concrete things. Honestly, nothing's felt more sure than when you are next to me, next to me. So let's cut down the red tape and gather up the pieces of our you. 'Cause there's nothing in this world we can't fix with some scissors and glue.